Y'all, I am so excited because cheers. Tap, tap. Period. The amazing team at West Elm sent your girl some items to elevate her bar cart. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I did slice open the top of the box, but I haven't brought anything out yet. So we're doing this together. We are unveiling the goodies together. So I'm really excited because I love me some West Elm. I love West Elm. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. Oh, I don't even know what. I'm so happy. Excuse my voice. I've been a little under the weather. So excited. I don't even know which one to open first. But, okay. Ooh. All right. So this is item number 1. I need to get a box cutter. All right. I'm so excited. These are so cute. Look at these glasses. Look at the detail. Super cute. So they sent me a set of 4. These are so cute. So cute. Let me show you guys a little up close. Up close and personal look at the detail. Next, we have the Streamlined Metal Bar Cocktail Shaker. Super cute. This is actually perfect because right now I only have a gold one. So I like that this is like a brushed nickel and not like shiny silver. This would be perfect. Ooh, all right. Next we have the all-in-one mini bar. And it includes an ice bucket, removable storage caddy, bottle opener, spoon, cocktail muddler, strainer, double jigger, and ice tongs. Oh, this is so gorgeous, y'all. This is so gorgeous. And you know what? This is actually really nice because with the holidays, I like to redecorate and like reorganize little nooks and crannies of my home. And I love the contrast in color with the metals, like mixing silvers and golds, because I'm all about mixing metals, even like with my regular jewelry. So I think this will be a nice addition and change to switch up the bar cart. So this is the bottle opener. I love, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's like a, what is this called? It's a cream, like off-white color with gold details. Super cute. Enamel, that's the word. It's an enamel, like off-white color. Have my muddler. Oh, look at that tongs. They are so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. Too cute. I think this is a strainer. Yep, strainer. And I like this shade of gold. It's not too harsh. It's like a off gold tone. And here's our shot glass measurer. Super cute. So everything fits in here. So everything fits in here nicely. And this is the ice bucket, and it just goes in here. So cute. So cute. And it's a nice change to like your traditional ice bucket and tools, which tend to hang upside down, or the ice bucket is completely separate. So this is definitely a good space saver if you have a smaller bar cart. This is gonna be really cute. Really cute. And last but not least, we have the glass whiskey bottle wood. Y'all, my husband is a fan of whiskey. He loves old fashions, and I like to make old fashions for him, so I know that this will definitely come in handy. Oh, this is cute. Super cute glass bottle. And this is the wood stopper. Just like that. So these are the 4 products West Elms sent me, and I'm really excited to redecorate my bar cart this holiday season for hosting, for entertaining, and just to make my home, and just to elevate the look of my bar cart. So just to make it easier for you guys to find these items, if you're interested, I'm just gonna list their official names on the West Elm website. So these set of old-fashioned glasses is called the Classin Drinkware Set. And I'm personally in love with the detail on the glass. Super cute, and a nice way to add texture to your bar cart. Next, we have the Streamline Metal Bar Cocktail Shaker. And this is in a brushed nickel color. And I love the matte, not shiny, silver touch of contrast to add to my bar cart. Next, we have the all-in-one bar tool set, and it includes all the necessary tools you need for your bar. And this is the ice bucket, and it's in a very beautiful enamel, like off-white color. And I won't lie, y'all, these ice tongs make me so happy. So happy. And last but not least, we have this whiskey glass decanter with a wood stopper, but of course you can put any liquid of your choice or any juice. I really love this glass decanter because this wood stopper, it's fun and it just adds a little character. All right, so these are the items. In my next video, I'll be showing you how I refresh my bar cart using these items from West Elm. Cheers. Period.